Live on YouTube. Check. Alright. Oh man, it's gonna be a good day. I feel it already. It's gonna be a lot of OAuth, authentication. Maybe thinking about like what we're gonna do. Maybe add some like LeetCode usernames, some regular usernames. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Anyways, lots of action planned for today. That's all you need to know. Give me a few minutes to get everything set up. You already know. All right. Just gotta get the LeetCode daily out the way. Saddam from YouTube, how you doing, man? What's the agenda for today? Today, first, I always do the LeetCode dailies, right? After I get that out the way, I'm not gonna spend more than say 30 minutes on it, hopefully. Then I'm gonna go to the web dev, and specifically I'm adding OAuth with Twitch so that people from Twitch can just use their account to sign up on the website without having to type in their email and all that. Constant Rains, what's happening? How you doing? All right, so y'all ready? Should I just jump into the LeetCode portion? I think so, man. I'm trying to get it out the way. All right, let's see what's up. Minimum. All right, let me reset this because I want to solve it fresh, but it looks like I've solved it already. Let me see how long ago. A year ago, I solved it. It's always fun for me to like compare my answers from however long ago. All right, here we go. Minimum operations to exceed threshold value, part 2. You are given a 0-indexed integer array nums and an integer k. In one operation, you will take the two smallest integers x and y nums, remove x and y from nums, add the minimum of x and y times 2 plus the maximum of x and y anywhere in the array. Note that you can only apply the described operation if nums contains at least 2 elements. Return the minimum number of operations needed so that all elements of the array are greater than or equal to k. So k, huh? Let me look at the constraints. K is a billion. So, and the numbers can be from 1 to a billion. And they're saying what we're doing is like times 2 is like a bit shift, right? So I wonder if we can simulate this, because if the input array is just a bunch of ones, then how many iterations would it take until I think we can just simulate this, man, because it would be 1 times 2 plus 1, which is 3, and then 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 14, and wait, we're taking the two smallest numbers. Yeah, man, I'm just gonna simulate this. So How many minimum number of operations needed? Let's try it out, man. Two smallest numbers. So I guess I'll just put everything in a priority queue. Revisualize what's happening. I could have rated you from my channel by myself, but nah, I'm good. Well, you did it yesterday, man. Was it yesterday? I think so. Priority queue. I always forget which way the dang priority queues work. Like if I just have this, that means the smallest is always on the top, or the largest, you know? I don't know, man. I think that means the largest is on top. All right, here we go, man. So that's my priority queue. Constructing it. And then we're just going to, oh wait, what are they saying? Remove 2 elements from nums and add 1. So will it always be possible? The input is generated such that the answer always exists. That is, there exists some sequence of operations after which all elements of the array are greater than or equal to k. Okay. I see. This thing is telling me to type racer with my 1500 points. Dang, you don't want to spend 1500 for a little type racer, man? It's not so bad. Oh wait, Vendant Pandy, what's happened? Sorry, I just seen your message, man. At what rating we get knight, and how many problems solve, or how many problems should I be able to solve in a contest for knight right now? I only can solve 2. I say things have been different in these last few contests, man. Sometimes the third question is a little bit hard. Sometimes the second question is a little bit hard. But what rating you get knight? I think it's around 1850. It might be a bit less than that or a bit more. I don't really know. But somewhere around that mark. And then I think for sure you need to be solving minimum 2. But I think what's more important to get knight is how fast you're able to solve them. Because like the last contest, if you solve 2, you could have ranged from like almost top 1000, which I think you got last time, or you could be as bad as like 10,000th or something, you know? Is priority queue data structure the same as heap? Yeah, priority queue and heaps are the same. That's for sure. Just a different name. In Python and maybe some other languages, it's called a heap. In C++, it's called a priority queue. So I'm going to just say, well, there's something in our priority queue, and the top is greater than k, right? Did it say greater than or greater than equal to? Or greater than or equal to k. Oh wait, so that means less than, not greater than, sorry. I had a third chatter in my stream, so I didn't realize that they chatted, and I didn't acknowledge them. They left. Yeah, it happens, man. It happens. I always forget to pay attention to my YouTube chat. I did it again. Oh yeah, you remember? I got plus 110 last contest. I told you, man. I told you you're about to get plus 100 or something, and someone else was saying you're only gonna get plus 30 or 20 or 30. No way, man. With a rating and your ranking, you're gonna get big elo gains after your performance. Of course I remember that, man. I almost done with Tress? What? Trees. Oh, sorry, my bad. Almost done with trees, now moving to heap and then DP. I have a long way to go, but the good thing is I'm always learning. I think that is the most important thing, man. Just always be learning. You have to be consistent to really absorb all these algorithms things. But man, DP, I don't know if I'd recommend jumping into DP like that. I don't know how much you studied, but I would leave DP for the very last thing that you study. I'd, especially if you're not good at recursion problems, I'd even say you should learn how to backtrack before you do DP. For sure, you need to do like trees, DFS, BFS, or I don't know about BFS, but for sure DFS recursively. Anyways, what are we doing? Or we're trying to solve this problem. Zoom Venom. What's happening, man? How am I doing? I'm doing all right. So we're doing LeetCode daily, and then we're building my website after. So I'm popping the top two. So wait, maybe I can just say while the size is greater than 1, because we need the top two, right? So that's X. That's my Y. And then they want me to push 2 times min XY plus max XY. That's what they want me to do, man. And they're asking how many operations needed, so I guess I'll just keep track of that. And every time I do something in this while loop, I increment it. I think that's what to do, man. Let's see. Maybe it's not. Maybe there's like some other thing we can do here, man. Freddy the Coder. When are you coming to Japan, and where in Japan am I going? I'm going to be in Japan this summer, and I'm going to be in Osaka and maybe Tokyo. I don't know. Been enjoying the mixed streams lately. Nice. I've been enjoying the web dev. GM Kanye West, what's happening? Why this question has low acceptance rate? Huh. So then it makes me think whatever I did here is not gonna be correct. Am I gonna get time limit exceeded? Let me think, man. Overflow. Will I get an overflow from that? No, I shouldn't. I'm just gonna run it, see what's up. Come on, man. Did I put too many things? That doesn't count. Too many things again? I don't really like this answer. Alright, dang, what the heck? Hey, they tricked me, man. How? One. Is that number possible? I guess so. That times, yeah, man. I thought about it, and I thought it would have fit in an int because I was just thinking about double, but I forgot you add the max too. So that means we gotta make this a dang long, or something, right? Or maybe we can leave that, and we just have a long here. No, should I do this? Let me think. Nah, I'll just change it to a long. I'm too lazy. I'm gonna just change it, man. Long. I got the wrong shirt on today. I should have worn that. Why RC? Man, RC is far superior. I'll tell you in a second. This is for iterating through a 2D matrix, by the way. Let me just submit. If this passes, I'll tell you. Come on, man. Hold on. Anyways. So, when you're iterating through a 2D matrix, man, how come I'm tripping out here? Do I have to like long everything? Oh, because I have a dang thing there. I thought, yeah, that's why. Anyways, after this, can you one shot? I guess so, but I'd like took 5 shots to get that. Dang, 83%. I feel like this solution is not that great. When you first started LeetCoding, and then when you start interview prep, would you repeat the same problems much? Did you try and memorize solutions, or do you just work through the problems trying to build up your problem solving abilities? I hear so many mixed opinions. Let me think. What's the question? I definitely did not try and memorize solutions, that's for sure. Wait, do you think we need min and max calls? Wait, what do you mean? Why not? What's wrong with the min and max? Alright, let me answer the dang RC question. So when you're iterating through, I'll even demonstrate, man. Let's say you have a bunch of numbers in a 2D grid, right? So this is row 1, and we have 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, whatever. And then that's first row, and then you have a bunch of other things, right? This is why rows and columns. So these are our columns, and then these are the rows. So it'd be like 0, 1, 2. All right. So in the traditional Cartesian coordinate plane, or whatever you call it in math, in the graphs, you know, when you draw the little crosshairs and stuff, the middle is like in the center of the page, or it's in the bottom left, and this is 0, 0, like down here. I guess this would be 1, 1, this cell, right? But when we're iterating through, 0, 0 is in the top left. So that's why X and Y sucks. You know, this is why we shouldn't use X and Y when we're iterating through 2D grid like this. You don't want to do this. Wait, X equals 0. My bad. Because now it's kind of like reverse. It's the reverse of what it actually is. Because if you wanted, say, this cell right here, this is going to be row 0, column 2, 0, 2. But then traditionally, the X and Y's, when you think of them, you think this is the X axis and this is the Y axis. So it's like, X is also the column. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you get it, boss can. So that's why X and Y sucks. I and J, I think is acceptable. But man, the characters look so similar. Sometimes when it's a lot of them next to each other, they kind of just blend together, man. But X and Y is, I think, objectively bad. I think IJ can work for some people. I personally think RC is the best way. It's the most clear way. It stands for what it means, and the characters don't look that much similar, you know. And it's obvious. R is for rows, C is for columns, you know. That's why RC. I've been burned by the X1, Y before many times, like trying to debug. Sometimes I'm like, man, what's going on? And it's because I had my X and Y's mixed up or swapped where they should be. And then I decided, you know, I'm always just going to use R and C from now on when I'm iterating through 2D grids in the matrix or whatever. And it has C++. Yeah, it has C++ in there. Anyways, so that's the daily problem. And that's my RC explanation. Wait, how can we use recursion to solve this? I mean, I can do it recursively, but I don't know if that's using recursion to solve it, you know? Yeah, I'm not good at recursion, man, but this is a web dev stream. I'm trying to stop doing LeetCode for today. But I said I'd post my solution, so I'm just gonna post this solution real quick on the dang LeetCode message board. How do you do that? Right here. Edit solution. This is simulation with priority queue. Intuition simulates because the constraints will allow it. That's my intuition, man. What's Remix? Remix is a React framework. And I'm not doing that remix stuff yet, Dean, but I'll get to it right after I post this solution. We use a priority queue to make sure that we can always get the smallest, the top two smallest numbers. Time complexity. What's the time complexity on this, man? What is it? Inserting into a priority queue is log n time complexity, and then we gotta do it n times, but then we gotta do this while loop, so I don't even know what the hell this time complexity is. Time complexity is who knows, because I don't know. My space complexity is for sure ON, you know. This is a terrible thing to post, but I'm gonna post it anyways. And then I'm gonna move on to the web dev, the remix stuff. There's my solution if you wanna check it out or answer the time complexity question. All right, what are we gonna do? Log n over k? I don't know, GM Kanye West. Well, it has to be at least ON, because to build it, you know, or n log n, minimum n log n, but it might be more than n log n too. So that's why I'm not too sure. It might be some crazy. Should we just look at what people say if someone did a simulation? Let me see what they're saying, man. O n over log n. I don't believe that. Is that true? All right, built-in parse queue, n log n. So how is it? Let me see what other people say. Who knows who that person is, you know? It all depends on K if it all ones. No, no, no. Because when you take time complexity, you're always assuming the worst case scenario. OBES, what's happening? Python heapify is linear. So you can construct a parse queue of all the elements in linear time in Python only? Or is that in other languages too? I mean, I guess if you can construct it linearly in Python, then you should be able to do it in other languages. Hold on, we never really got... I was just trying to find the dang time complexity, so... I don't know if I trust anyone out here. Let me find a name that looks familiar. None of these names look familiar. It's like a new problem. How come I don't see like Lee215 and all them people? Oh, this guy is not sure too. He says I could be wrong, but I think time complexity is n log n. So nobody knows. Well, this guy doesn't know. Let's see somebody else what they're saying. N log n. I don't know if this guy knows. Use a submission page to check it. You can analyze it. Clusters. What's happening? You can. Is that analyze thing accurate though? Daily problem. You can see the editorial. Vertizoid. What's happening? All right. Let's see what they're saying. The parse queue. They're saying it is n log n. In worst case, we have to apply n operations because each operation reduces the heap size by 1. Each heap operation takes log n time. I don't know, man. Building it is linear in C++. Removing and adding is log n. I'd have to wait until some experts come in and tell me. If I had to guess though, I would have guessed n log n for the daily problem. But what makes me unsure is like this whole thing. So I guess we're only removing up to n times, I guess, since we're moving 1 at every iteration. And then there's 200,000. So that's only gonna run like maximum of n time or 2n, right? And then that is whatever, and then the insert, yeah, n log n. I see how it works now. Oh dang, Hector HSC, what's happening, man? Thank you very much for those bits. Oh, look at that, Glump is online. So am I. All right, here we go. Hector HSC. And now I suppose we can shift gears into the web dev. Are you ready for it? Man, look at that. So the last stream, I did a pop-up stream yesterday and we're adding like Supabase authentication. And I got a basic authentication to work with, let me see. I forget what my password is, man. There it is. Basic authentication. It doesn't really do anything. There's no data stored except your email when you register. But today I'm trying to add OAuth so you can just sign in with Twitch or whatever. Mainly just Twitch. Maybe I'll do Twitch and like Google or something. So let's try and do that, man. Maybe I should like commit these stuff. Should I just commit everything? Is that how people usually do it? All right, what's my commit message? Auth, basic email, authentication, login, register, profile pages, routes, maybe. All right, there we go. Is that how you... All right, now where's fresh? I guess what you're supposed to like, I don't really, it's been so long, such a long time since I used GitHub. Am I supposed to make a new branch every time I'm working on a feature? Let me try that, man. Branch. Create a branch. I'm gonna name this. I'm trying to like start practicing good version control practices. I'm gonna name this, what are we doing? Twitch OAuth. That's what I'm gonna call it. And then what, do I have to like, I'm in that branch, right? Yeah. So I guess on the register page, I want to add that OAuth thing. So you already know, man, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT because I don't got time to do it myself. Write me a button in React Remix that handles OAuth for Twitch using Supabase. All right, man, it's going slow. All right, should I just read the docs, man? I think it was simple enough. Let me see what this is saying though. Yeah, because Supabase provides me with all that stuff. Let me log in to Supabase. And 1 second. What was I trying to do? I was trying to read their documentation for OAuth. Supabase docs. Here we go. Twitch. All right. Let's see what they're saying. I think I already got this stuff for my Twitch thing. Add your credentials into your Supabase project. Yes. All right. So I think this is the part we need. I don't know how to do it though. Let's go here. Tell me to go to providers right here. I gotta enable Twitch and client ID, and oh, that's my Twitch client ID. So I gotta enter that in secret, man. Give me a second to do that. All right, where's everything at? Client ID, yes, and client secrets. All right. And then, all right, I got Twitch enabled, and I gotta enter my callback URL for the OAuth thing. I think I do that from the Twitch thing. How do I get my Twitch API keys? Hold on. Twitch API. All right, I'm still hiding my screen because I don't want to leak my keys, man. All right, OAuth redirect URLs. Yes. This is my redirect URL. All right. All right, how do I... Oh, I have to save. There we go. All right. What do I do next? What do I do next? Add your Twitch credentials. Yes, I did that. Add login code into my client's app. Sign in with Twitch. Is that how you do it? You'll need an extra step to handle the code. Wait. Redirect URL. What is this, man? You need to handle the redirect to the OAuth provider's authentication endpoints. So I'm saying this should be my endpoint here. Auth/callback. Auth/callback. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. So what do they want from me? They want me to add this new route. I'll do that first. And auth.callback.tsx. Am I using this thing? Auth.confirm? I don't think so. I'm gonna just use this. I guess we can delete it, or we can just edit the name. Rename. Alright, that's what they want. And then, what else do they want? They want me to... I don't know what this is. In the server, you need to handle the redirect to the OAuth provider's authentication endpoint. So I just put this in like my load function or whatever. About to find out. You know, like this loader thing. I am not sure, man. Let me see. Let me just run things first, and then I'll think about it for a bit. Man, every time I think I'm gonna be super productive and flowing through this stuff, I just kind of hit walls, and I'm not flowing as fast as I like to. I guess, you know, can you share the link to that doc? Yeah, was it this? The scientist, what's happening? Welcome. All right, that's the back end. Oh, this is the register button. We need, yeah, we need it on the register page. So when you click that, this is the server side function stuff. But what are they asking me to do here? You need to handle the redirect to the OAuth. Glamorized from YouTube, what's happening? Can you tell me why you're using Remix and not Next? I don't really have a good reason. I just chose one. And it was recommended on the React front page or whatever. It was like, we recommend to use React with Next.js or Remix. And then I just chose Remix. Oops. Basically wait, what's your OAuth provider? What do you mean, like Twitch, right? When the user clicks login, you need to redirect them to that provider to the actual logins, and the OAuth provider send the user back to your app. Oh, is that how it works? So I added, all right, this callback is what they're gonna send me back to my website with. I see. And then oh, I see what you're saying. Redirect, or I just hit them with my client side thing. I don't know which one to use. Have you tried Next.js too? No, I have never tried Next.js. I haven't really. The last time I did anything with React, this is for Glamorized from YouTube. The last time I did anything with React was probably in like 2020, and it was doing React Native. And before that, maybe 2017, I did some more React Native. And then that's all the experience I have with React. So now in 2025, I'm coming back and I'm jumping in with React Remix. And I've never really done web dev before, so this is also a first. Most of my React, or all of my React experience has been React Native. And then the last 4 years or so, I've only been doing C++, man. All right, so what am I doing right now? I guess I'll just use the dang clients thing. But what's this provider stuff? Oh, just like provider Twitch like this? Let's try it. Let me just code something up here. So in this register thing, I'm gonna have another button. Wait, maybe ChatGPT has a button for me. Because I did tell it to make, yeah, here's a button, man. I'm gonna take this button. Hopefully it's styled real nice. And I guess I'll just copy this too. And then I gotta import my clients, but not the server clients. I have like a other clients. What was it? Supabase? Yeah, I think so. Let me just double check. Yeah, this is the browser client here. So now I can use this Supabase in my handle Twitch OAuth thing. Hopefully it works. I don't need any of these, man. I'm gonna just take them out. Or should I leave them? Let me see what's up. I'm gonna leave them for now. I think it will interfere with the other button, but it's all good. All right, I'm not done yet because I need to, where am I redirecting them to? Let me go back to the docs. So, no, that's not the docs. That is GPT. All right, read. All right, this is what we need. We need these options here. Yeah. Sign in with OAuth. Right here. And what is the dang URL for this stuff? I guess I'll just hard code it for now to localhost. How do you do that, man? I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna just hard code it. Is it like that? No, I gotta put the ports, right? Is that right? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Nah. Unexpected thing. What's unexpected, man? Right there, redirects to. Oh, I think I already deleted that. Let me just restart things. What's the command? Yeah. All right, here we go. So I go to my register. Oh shit. Something worked. And then was that it? Did I register? Bet Simp, how you doing? I don't know if it works. Software engineering dead? No, man. There's still a lot to do. Let me check my Supabase. Jeez. I guess it worked. Dang. They got me. Yeah. It's all good. Don't you worry about that, man. Matt156 is in the house with the Type Racer. Well, it's working. That's nice. I guess we can do the Type Racer real quick, man. Now's a chance to be a champ. Alright, here we go, here we go. Is that Bet Simp? Yeah, that is actually Bet Simp. His main account is taking a little vacation. Wow. Or something. Anyways, there's a link for the... We're going to do the warm-up round first. And then we're going to hit the championship round. Let me send it to the Discord. Alright, y'all ready? Oh, Pixel Pusher is here. Alright, warm up. Maybe Matt156 can beat Pixel Pusher. If Pixel Pusher has the worst race of his life. And Matt has the best race of all time. Q with the 105 in the warm-up. What's happening, Q? Dang, you're washed up. Matt, I've never seen you type double digits in my whole life. What is happening? Alright. What are we gonna do? We're about to do the championship round, huh? I don't know if my other camera is working right now. Should I try? Yeah, let me go turn it on. Alright, we gotta turn on the Type Racer mode. Alright, here we go. Championship round about to begin, man. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Oh, everybody's in here. Man, I can't even hit triple digits. Nobody can except Pixel Pusher at 148 miles per hour. Matt156, what is your all-time highest WPMs on your profile, man? Let me see if you had the best race of your whole life. If Been drawing too many rectangles at work. What kind of rectangle? What do you mean? What does that mean, man? Drawing rectangles? Yo, I see. Dang, architecture. I didn't know you're an architect. Wait, pixel pusher, 148 miles per hour. Let me put up on the website real quick. So, type racer, we got pixel pusher with 148 WPMs. Oh, like software architecture. Dang, I thought you had drawing up like architecture plans and rooms, you know, you draw the box at the room or a rectangle for this room, that room. Like, dang, Matt's just here to chill in the coding streams. He's a dang architect and he comes to these coding streams to de-stress, you know. Gluten Crusader, how you doing? We love UML. I don't know what UML is. Is that the boxes and stuff you draw? Definitely the worst LeetCoder in this chat. That's not true, man. There are some people in here who don't LeetCode at all. I'm sure there are. Anyways, let me take a look at that, man. Pixel pusher with the 148. That's you. Yeah, but you must do some coding, you know. Alright, looks like OAuth is done, man. We're good to go. Well, did it work? See, it didn't give the cookie though, so it's not like fully working. Maybe that's why. Wait. Yeah, how come it didn't give the dang cookie? So this is supposed to set the cookie, right? But it never said anything. Let me try and debug that real quick. What should we do to try and debug that? I guess I'll just log in with OAuth again. Right? But this time I'll monitor what's going through the network. Oh man, now I gotta type all this shit. Never mind. I'll do it from here. Man, I don't want to dox myself, man. Again. Alright, here we go. So this is where we hit them. No, that's going to the dang Supabase. That's not going to me. So where do they even hit me at, man? Is it this? And they set this cookie, but then I don't, like, I have 2 of those cookies now or something. Oh, it's a different name of the cookie, so I gotta adjust my cookie thing in the header because this one has the auth token and whatnot. So let me see how I can fix that real quick. In my header, I'm checking if there's a cookie present, but I'm only checking a cookie of a certain name. But auth token, what do I have here? Auth token dot zero, but I have it auth token without. So maybe I should just have starts with auth token. And this is only finding one. Or I guess we only need to find one. Alright, let's try that one more time to see if it works now with the cookies and all that stuff. Well, it's already working. But let me clear all my cookies and do it again. Alright, so I just cleared cookies. I got nothing. I'm gonna log out as well. If that works. I don't know if it worked. And then I am going to log in with Twitch one more time. It logged me in, and now it detects that I'm logged in, so I detect the cookie, which is good. I just did it again, man. Anyways, everything's working. 2 for 2. Yeah, I'm on a streak today. Anyways, man, I streamed for like years without doxing myself. And then once I start doing web dev, it happens like every other stream. Anyways, does my logout button work? Because I just clicked it. Nothing happens. Right? Oh, snap. I get, all right. Because we're already at that page. All right, how can I refresh the page? Did you write logout to the Supabase logout snippet? What? No, it's if I logged out from any other page, I think it would have worked. But because I was already on the page that I clicked log out from, it looks like it didn't do anything. So instead of navigate, I think I want to like just refresh the page or something. So React remix navigate to route, I don't know, refresh page, or I don't know what to call this. Use navigates, navigate 0. Oh yeah, navigate 0. Let me try that. All right, here we go. I'm gonna log in again. I guess I should have the login with Twitch button here instead. What's my password, man? All right. Hepta5, how you doing? Welcome to the party. Now I'm gonna try and log out from a home page. There we go. Things are working, man. All right, what's next? What am I gonna do next here? I kind of want to redesign production. Nah, I want to add some more things before I go do all that. Oh, maybe, you know what? I have it hard coded with localhost right now. Maybe I should like not hard code it. You know what I'm saying? Where did I do that? In the register? Yeah, in the register page. So I gotta figure out what to call it there. You need to put an ad. I never even bought that chair, man. That's a little bit too hardcore for me these days. I'm not the dang Navy SEAL that I used to be back in those days, Hepta 5. I'm kind of soft these days, man. I just like to chill, take as long as I need for bathroom breaks. I don't need to be coding 24/7, you know? I give up on Rabin Carp. Dang, Q, you're just trying to study what's Rabin Carp stuff? Type Racer Cam? Dang, why did nobody tell me I'm still on my Type Racer Cam? Rolling hash. Yeah, I don't know rolling hash either yet. All right. So what should we do? I should get my dang proper thing here. I don't want to dox myself again. Let me look around some files. I don't want to like reveal my keys or anything. Where did I find environment local or something? Yeah, maybe. Oops. Yeah, I gotta look in my environment variables here, so bear with me. All right, how? I'm trying to see what I call my website thing. Hold on, like my URL. Okay. All right. I'm gonna just put something down here real quick. All right. I have a slash. All right, I just put my thing in. So how do you do this? I gotta check if I have some environment variable set, but I don't remember how to do that. So I guess like this. And where was it? In the register? Where's register at? Right here. Do you do it like that? And then I can put it right here. Let me see if that works. Pat's Hello World. How you doing, man? What's poppin' these days, Pat? This is what y'all were saying. What are y'all talking about? Grinder and back end? That's what Hepta 5 likes, you know? The DP questions. Alright, let me test out my little URL thing, see if it still works. So I'm just gonna reload everything and do the login with Twitch stuff one more time. Wait, deprecating what? What is this from? Who knows? All right, I gotta go to register and I gotta log in with Twitch. And what am I trying to check? I'm trying to check if it still works. Did it work? I think so. Let me check. Let me double check something. Man, how does that work? It's not supposed to work. Oh, shit. All right. I had the wrong environment variable in there, but then I don't understand why it's still working, because it's supposed to hit this URL thing. All right, let me do it one more time. Dang, I had to sneeze, man. All right, log in with Twitch. Did it go to where it should have went? How do I know? This stuff didn't trigger anything. You know, like nothing happened. I don't know. Chinga Opa, what's happening? Was the whole IJ thing from matrices in math? Makes sense for RC as well, though. Yeah. It is. This is about 2D matrices and grids. All right, I don't know why everything is kind of still working, but even when I change this redirect stuff, I guess maybe I should try it incognito or something, you know. But I gotta do that off screen because it's gonna ask me to log into Twitch. I already doxed myself though. Hold on. I guess I can show. Oh man, I gotta do this Authy stuff. Can I show my Authy code? Is that safe? Or should I hide that? I'm gonna hide it. Dang, it refreshed before I could finish typing it in. Alright, it looks like it still works. Hacked? Not really. Wait. When in doubt, hide it out. Bank account. You're right. My bank account is not bumping. Man, I don't get this. How come I can't see these console logs, man? You know? Google stock price, yeah. It's not at the all-time high, but it's not terrible. It's like, I don't know if it worked. Did it work? Like, how did it know, man? I guess it just works, huh? I should just trust it. You have it logged to a file. I don't know. I think the best way is probably to just ship it to prod and try it out. Terminal. Wait, what? How do I don't even know how to do all that in you mean console log it to my Nah. I think it'll be alright. Click the button. Doesn't it write to your terminal? No, this doesn't. This one in particular doesn't do anything. So maybe it throws that. All right, let me see. So I'm gonna log out. Well, I'm gonna do it from an incognito, man. Go to this page, log in with Twitch. Put my thing in. Gotta do this authenticator stuff, but maybe I should hide it. And then it... Oh, you know what? Because I'm looking in the dang wrong console, man. I think I should be looking in this console, not that console. Or does it... Right? Jesus Christ, man. Let me try it one more time. Yeah, look at that. But it went by too fast. How do I... Can I just pause it? Can I tell it preserve log maybe? Let me try that. Alright. Yeah, maybe it works. Look at that. Navigated to the right thing. Cool. Wait, let me try one more thing. Let me actually put in a URL there to see if it works. But I gotta hide my screen because my environment variables, you know. But man, look at that. I got something in there, you know. It's crazy. I have that have that thing set. Chat GPT, yeah. Alright, let me try some of this stuff. Let me try this thing, man. Man, look at it. It still says local host. Why is it doing that? Why is it tripping, man? Maybe I gotta restart. What the heck is going on? Alright, one more time, one more time. Look at that. Local host, man. Alright, so I guess this isn't... Alright, how to read remix. How to read those variables. I don't know why it's tripping. Do I hit them with the process.env? Wait, what? Alright, so my thing is a env.local. What's the difference? Higher price on the left. Oh. I don't know. Maybe I need a new env thing, because it's not reading this URL from the dang thing properly. But how is that possible? Because I am able to read my Supabase keys in like this thing. Look, I'm able to read these things, but then I can't read. Why? Maybe, okay. Maybe it's just my JavaScript skills suck. Maybe this doesn't work the way I think it does. Let me try that. I'm gonna see what's up. Alright, here we go. Preserve my logs. Oh, it's undefined now, the URL. But it still just goes back to my local host, man. How did I know that it's local host it should go back to? Who told it that, you know? I didn't tell it that, man. Is auth client-side code? No, this... I don't know where this is. Oh, wait. Because it comes here. I don't even know. maybe just fight mid. No, like my other. Wait, this is wrong too, man. I'm very confused right now since I don't even have. Oh, I think I see. Maybe because. No, I can't see. Like, this isn't even supposed to be working, yeah? Since... Alright, let me check my environment variables. I don't have any except this one. But I don't have a Supabase URL or a anon key in there. So I'm like mega confused right now. This is craziness, man. Did you use export from command line? I didn't. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I didn't do it, but maybe it does it somewhere else. Like, that's the only explanation, huh? Let me think. Can run export? What's the command? Just export and then type in the key? I don't know. I'm in PowerShell, man. Just export? Yeah, PowerShell doesn't have that stuff. Lots of strange things happening over here. Maybe it just knows because it comes from localhost, so it knows to go back to localhost, you know? Learning new tech is hard. Yeah, it is for me, for sure. So it's like this dang thing never gets called. Yeah, right? Because that's right. This thing. This thing ain't working because no one ever goes there, you know? Maybe I should just stop questioning it and everything's all good, you know? Because it doesn't ever trigger this function. This is supposed to be like a server-side function. Like, this is definitely not supposed to work because these environment variables don't even exist. I guess I can prove it by just putting in nothing instead, you know? And this will never get called. I hope this is proving it, otherwise I'm really confused. Yeah, look at that. So I don't know what the point of that thing was. I don't even know where I read to put that. I think that was in the Supabase docs. Yeah, look, it told me to put this thing in. Maybe this is outdated or what? Wait, what is PKCE flow? Redirect. I didn't do this part. Redirect URL. Site URL. Oh, I see. URL configuration page. Okay. So if I put like if I put that in there, then it's just not gonna work anymore. I don't know what's going on, man. Let me try. What the heck is it saying? Configuration file. Interesting. Let's see what happens, right? Wait, what are you saying? Stack Overflow. Well, now it's in a different thing. Anyways, log in with Twitch. How does it know, man? How does it know that? All right, when I click this dang button, log in with Twitch, it what the hell is happening, you know? It's coming in here. Oh, maybe if I don't, like, if this is just blank, it will just automatically put localhost in front. Let me try. Because it doesn't, yeah, right? Because it's saying it's just redirecting with this code. But then I don't do anything with the code. So it's like this redirect URL stuff isn't doing anything here. Over here struggling with kata 8 problems. Yeah, Hyper, I'm struggling big time out here. That is for sure, you know. Because click the dang button. And then I feel like to deploy it and see what happens. For sure it's not gonna work, right? Should I just do that? Only one way to find out, man. Like this auth callback stuff. 100% sure nothing is there. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build this dang new Docker image. I'm gonna upload it to my server and I'm testing production. That's what they say is the best way. So I just need to do my server here. I mean my remix stuff. Alright, I gotta start Docker. Build my image, upload it, and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm so confused right now. Like that, none of that stuff should be working. J Cabrera 4. Thank you very much for the follow. Alright, I gotta hide my screen while I upload this stuff. Alright. ETA 5 seconds before it's uploaded. And then I gotta load it and then take down the website and bring it back up. That should take like 10 seconds, hopefully. Alright, I'm reloading my Docker image on my website. We're testing this in prod to see how it's gonna react. Bringing down my website, Docker compose down. And now I'm bringing it back up. Docker compose up -D. Alright, let's see what's up, man. Is it gonna work? I don't see how it could work, but I'll try it out, you know. Let me go from incognito. I should have preserved my log, but whatever. I guess if this works, I should stop investigating and just trust it. Right? Alright, what's my token? Secret token, man. Oh, look at that. It goes to localhost 3000. Interesting. Very interesting. I never told it to do that. How? Why is it going there, man? Site URL. By default, the user will be redirected to the site URL, but you can modify the site URL or add additional redirect URLs to the allow list. Once you've added necessary URLs to the allow list, you can specify the URL you want the user to be redirected to in the redirect to parameter. Scals something. Thank you for the follow. So I added that thing to my stuff, right? To edit the allow list, go to the URL configuration page. Use a configuration file. Replace A with O. Dang, that is a crazy name. Oh, here's my site URL, man. That's not my site URL. So you're telling me if I just save this, everything's gonna be working now? I'm gonna try it. Something happened. I don't think it fully worked. Because I got this dang code, but ain't nothing really working with the code. I wonder, alright, I wonder if my site URL should be something like this /auth/callback junk. Because, yeah, because then they get the code here. It's all making sense, man. Let me put that junk in here real quick. So, where are we at? We were in the Supabase junk. I don't know where it's at anymore. Right here. And I'll edit this to that, right? Save that. And then let me see about, I already have my Supabase server client. So in this auth callback, I think I can just import it. Supabase. What do I call it, man? Create Supabase server clients. How do I use it? Like this. That's how I use it. And then, all right, let me go back. So here, we don't need none of that. I can just be like, that. And hopefully that will also work. But then I gotta deploy everything, man. So let me rebuild stuff and redeploy it. And then Hopefully things will work. So I gotta rebuild my image. Save my tar. Upload all my junk. Okay. Let me hide my screen real quick. Testing in prod. Very nice. I guess I can delete my... I'm gonna delete myself from the database. All right, what's next? What am I doing? Testing in prod, that's what I'm doing. Let me reload my thing. I'm reloading my image on my server right now. Just reloaded the Docker image. Took down my website, or it's stopping it right now. All right, let me see. It's deployed. Let me see if the dang thing works now. I'm thinking maybe not, man. Uh-oh. Oh, that's localhost. Jesus. All right, log out, log in with Twitch. Unexpected server error. What could that be, man? I gotta look at my logs on my server. Can't read properties of undefined. What are you talking about? Oh, you know what? Wait. Exchange code for a session? Oh, right here. So auth is undefined. I see. I guess I'm supposed to do something like this. No. Wait. I'm supposed to do... Where was I? On the register page? No. In my auth callback page, I guess, like this. Yeah? Supabase client. Oh, maybe I call it Supabase client instead. Okay. There we go. I gotta redeploy this junk now. Hold on, let me do that real quick. We're making small progress. Don't you worry. But I feel like I need like a long session where I'm just adding features left and right and just building things out more quickly. I feel like I lose a lot of my state that I have in my mind anytime I take a break, like a 1 day break or a couple days. And it takes me a long time to remember what I was doing or like to get back into the flow. Anyways, I'm rebuilding my image, and then I gotta save it as a tar, then I gotta upload it. So I'm just rebuilding, still rebuilding, just rebuilds, saving the image now. And then I'm about to upload it. All right, 20 seconds it says to upload. All right, we just uploaded it. Let me load it on my server now, real quick. It's reloading the image on my server, and then I gotta bring down everything, Docker Compose down, and then I gotta Docker Compose up. I'm about to do that right now. It's stopping. Still stopping. Stopped. All right, we're back up. Should we try it? Let's try it, man. All right, here we go. Logging in, register, login with Twitch. Poof. Look at that. Everything's working, man. It's real good. Right? I just need to make it look somewhat decent now. Yes, that's what I need to do. Oops. Man, did it again. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing? Let's switch back to non-prod stuff. Let's get back in here. And I guess let's just work on the styling. We got like an hour left before I gotta go. And I feel like doing all this stuff is kind of boring to watch. But maybe the styling might be more interesting, especially on the register page. All right. So I gotta fix these dang things. Like one button is too long. Where are these buttons at? These buttons are right here. Maybe I'll just use these styles, but I'm gonna change the colors. I guess this is a Twitch color. add it here instead. Should we use the white text? And I'll just delete everything else. Let's see how that looks. Is that it? No, that's not even... It's the wrong thing, man. Free P, what's happening? How's it going on the auth? I just finished... I wouldn't say finished, but we just kind of got the login with Twitch stuff working, which is nice. Maybe I need to add, you know what, maybe I should move this to its own component so that I can use this button on the login page as well. So let's do that right now. Log out, components, new folder is called login with Twitch. And then I'm gonna take it from, well, I guess I'll do whatever I did in the logout button. I'll just copy this over. Login with Twitch. And then I'm gonna take this function out and put it right here. Maybe I'll take these things too. I don't think I need this use navigate stuff. What else do I need? I'm gonna get this whole thing. I'm gonna just put it right here. And then I'll just call it like login with Twitch and see if that works. Nah, doesn't work. Maybe I gotta restart. Handle OAuth, it's right there. Handle Twitch OAuth not defined. What are they talking about, man? Do I have to do like that? Use state. Alright, let me try that. No, that's not good. Maybe I should not use a button. I don't know. I don't know why. Oh, hold on, let me think. Don't not use a button. I've been learning some Python through W3 schools with the goal to learn ML later on. Do you know a better site, or should I stay on W3 schools? I don't know anything about... Dang, excuse me. Sorry, I don't know anything about W3 schools or Python, man, so I don't think I'm qualified to give you any advice on that. Well, I should just say I don't know any better site. Alright, so why the hell is this button not working? Is it because it's living inside that form? Maybe I should make it live outside of the form. you know, use state not defined. What are you talking about, man? Oh, shit. I was restarting the wrong project. But still. Use state is not defined. What does it mean? Where's that coming from? Thought I fixed this. I guess I'm gonna just say I don't know what to do. I'm gonna just leave it blank for now. How can I put a comment? Fix me one day. Python, a crash course is the way to go. Shimi, what's happening? Lil Freezy is in the house. I did a Python crash course a few years ago when I was learning how to code. Good book with good projects. Man, it's been a few years, Lil Freezy. That's crazy. How are you doing, by the way, Lil Freezy? Are you still learning? Are you working on projects? Have you gotten any type of work, or you've been hustling, or what? Dang, that button is thick. Oh, so then, all right, how do I specify? I mean, I know that's gonna work in prod, but I need it to work in not prod. I'm freelancing and trying to get good at LeetCode before I interview because I want them benefits that come with a full-time job. Yeah, freelancing is tough, man. All right, let me fix this button. It's ugly. It's because it's got that width full. But I don't want a width full. I want to... Alright, I think I have to figure out how this... yeah, you know, hold on. Like, how big should this stuff be? Class name. Can I give it a width? Something like that. Let me see. Okay, maybe this button. Should I give it a width full? Can I give it, I guess, like 96? Not 10. At least 96, maybe. Maybe a little bit smaller. Maybe a 72. And then, so if I give that a width of 72, then maybe I can just give this button a width of 72. And it should line up a little bit. Yeah. And then let me try and center these fields here. How would we do that? Do I have to put these things centered like this? No. Do I have to put it in this div? No. Flex the form. Flex it and then flex call maybe. And then I have to hit them with these justify, center, whatever. And then, what do you think? Maybe I should give them a with full here. Nah. That doesn't work. Yeah, thanks, Freezy. I gave this a with full. Something worked there. Oh, that's in the label, and this is the input. I guess I don't want it in the label. I only want it in the input. I don't know, actually. Oh, there's another div here. Alright, let's roll with this for now, man. Log in with Twitch. Or should I say sign up with Twitch instead of log in with Twitch? Maybe I should have that as a prop or something. Props dot title. Can I do that? One day I'll fix all my types. Wait, how does OAuth usually look? Where can I do an OAuth thing? GitHub? No. I don't know, Reddit? Continue. Should I use that word? Continue with Twitch. I feel like the ML and AI is the future, which is why I'm learning. It's probably gonna take so many jobs away. Better be prepared. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, maybe I should put man, maybe that's good for now. Maybe I should add another button here though. Hold up, I gotta make these the same size, man. I don't like how it's inconsistent there. Let me at least start fixing that. Making things quantum computing proof is the way to go? Man, y'all are crazy. That's like way in the future, you know? Alright, let me see how this looks. Looks really crazy. Alright, we need some dang red backgrounds to see how everything's looking. Dang. Dang, that's how it looks. Why is it so weird on that one side, you know? Padding 8, space-wise 6. Max width. Oh, maybe that's because it's too big. Interesting. Do you need 2 forms for this, not just different requests send from same form? Eventually, I mean, they look the same right now, but I think I'll add some more fields to the register form, like a username and some other stuff. I'm just trying to make them, I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. And Nebrakada, welcome. How are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing. So that, all right, this thing is, so that's my Y space. I don't know how CSS styling works either. Max width? What does that do? Oh, I see. I see. So that's the max width. But then why doesn't this center in there? Take off the max. Yeah. So that makes it full screen. Is this padding too much for it? Oh. It makes sense now. So he's saying this is not, if I flex this, then things will be centered when I hit them with this center. Oh, this had the M also. Maybe if this button had the M also too, it would be all right. I'm trying to figure out this CSS stuff as I go, man. I'm not real professional with the CSS. Dang, I just messed everything up. Still not very centered there. So that's center. Okay, maybe it's like this dang thing. Maybe it's like some of these things. I don't know. Nah, it's just a button, right? Wait, why not put the button in the div with the form? Not inside the form, just in that div. I think that's, isn't that what it is? Wait, I lost the page. Login. Yeah, it's outside of the form right now. Oh, in the div with the form. It is, right? Border Redis is your friend? What do you mean? Alright, I'm just not good at CSS, man. I think maybe this needs an M also. How the hell do you get it? Alright. How to center a button in a div. Item center. We have that, right? Border. Oh, border red is your friend. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you're saying, man. Problem is a container div. Yeah. So let's see. This one needs the dang item center. But it still doesn't do it, man. What the heck? Alright, maybe it also needs justify center, man. Oh, you said it needs to be flexed. Oh, right. And then now it needs to be stacked, like flex row or flex call. Jesus, thank you very much, little Freezy. Now I can get rid of these crazy colors. It will start making sense one of these days. Oh man. I'm gonna take this button out of there though. And I'm gonna say continue with email. Now we gotta make these dang buttons the same. Let me give this a background. Oh lordy. Hold on. Let me copy these styles. Looks kind of ugly, but we'll work on it. We'll work on it for sure. Nebracata, thank you very much for the follow. And Leaf Boy 470, thank you very much for the follow. All right, think the width is too much? Yeah, I think so. Let's try and get all the dang buttons the same size. What I like to do is on my main CSS make classes for elements that I reuse a lot. Like, oh yeah, maybe I could do that one day, little Freezy. I'm gonna go in and I'm not gonna add any new features. I'm just gonna work on cleaning up my code. I think I need to do that like one solid day. Just go through every file and reorganize stuff before it gets too crazy. Because right now it's spaghetti code. Save it here. How are you doing? Beautifying the code, yeah. But wait, what was I trying to do here? I'm gonna take that to 2. Spaghetti code. You guys like that? Thought you'd like it. Margin top, padding X, padding Y. What are we trying to do? We're trying to, man, that space looks like too much space in between. Where do we get? Dang, look at all that stuff, man. Is that? Where's all that coming from? Is it that Y space? So senior code makes one hungry. Yeah, I guess so. Hey, where the hell did this space Y come from, man? I didn't put that anywhere. Oh, it's right here. We don't want that. We want... yeah. Three's alright. And then... So what makes... this thing makes it half width. Maybe I should leave it back. And then... maybe I should put these two dang things in a div and give this div half width. Let me see if that will do anything for me. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Hey, how come the dang things grow bigger than the div, you know? How can we get them things to contain itself? Or I guess max width or something. I have to give it... Yeah, so... Alright, you're saying I gotta not hard code that. And take it out, the width thing, and then maybe apply that. No, it's just gonna take the shape of its parent. Man, how come this one is so big though? I swear I took it out this one too, right? Oh, now it's all right. Maybe I should hit them with the width full instead, and then I can just put them in a div if I need to do something. All right, let me take out that background red thing now. CSS is tough, man. Dang, how come it looks crazy now? Who put that? Oh, I know why. It's this dang space Y stuff. Do I even need space Y? I'm gonna take it out, man. And then why? Oh, it's that empty top on that thing. All right, that's good enough. That's good enough. Or should I try and get everything looking real proper? It looks ugly. It looks real ugly, man. Why am I doing this? Can I just ask ChatGPT to style me some real slick buttons? Make me 3 buttons that are nicely styled with tailwind. The buttons are OAuth and register buttons. The Twitch and mail buttons on one row? What do you mean on one row? Hold on. This email on one row? Alright, I think my buttons are too fat, first of all. Wait, let me go look. What are some good OAuth type web? Reddit was one. Those are some thick buttons, man. What other sites can you do OAuth? I don't know. Twitter? Sign up with Google. Alright. Let me see what ChatGPT styled for me here. Dang. It's not bad, huh? I mean, it's not great, but let me see what this one looks like. Alright, I'm cool. I'm gonna just leave it as it is for now. But I'll think about how to style it nicer later on. Wait, instead of continue with email, maybe I should be like register. Register with email. And then, wait, what size text is in here? Can I specify my text size? We all start out this way. You're doing great, thanks. Text, medium. Or maybe it doesn't do anything. I gotta put it in here. I don't know what that does. Oh, that changed something for sure. Oh, I'm also like mega zoomed in. I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna just leave it for sure. Skiddo TV, thank you very much for the follow. All right. Register with email. I gotta fix this on that page. Max WMD. All right, there we go. And then let me see on the login, where was that max WMD at? It was in the form container. In my form container. I don't have a form. Maybe this one. Oh lordy. No, it's not centered, man. I'm gonna close these things. So maybe I should add one more dang div in there. Is that enough divs? Who knows? And then wait, why is that? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Register. Should we roll with that, man? It's not exactly... Oh, I specify this stuff here. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna just leave it. Fix it one day, man. Maybe I'll decide how I want to style it over the next few days. So I'm pivoting to front end? No, man. What do you mean pivoting to front end? This is just like a side project, you know? Wait, so maybe I only needed login. When I register with email, I don't even need that continue with Twitch button, right? Maybe I'll, instead of continue with Twitch, I'll type sign up with Twitch. Yeah, I'm not pivoting to front end in particular. I'm just pivoting to building stuff. If that means front end for the time being, then yeah. Where's that button? I'm gonna say register with Twitch or sign up with Twitch. Once you know one language, learning other languages is a little faster because most of them have the same structure, right? Yeah, I'd say for sure once you learn one language, it's easier to pick up another one. Steven Sagibal, how you doing? Sometimes live be bad? What do you mean? Live be bad? Or live? Sometimes live is bad? Life is bad? How you doing, Steven Sagiball? Wait, after you finish this, you'll start getting withdrawals from CSS and you'll come back to another front-end project? I don't know. Be bad life? Oh, I see. Whose life is bad right now? Alright, it's almost time for me to stop. Steven Sagiball, what is going on over there, man? Alright, what can I work on? Oh, I want to... Alright, when we sign up for email, maybe I should have like a username thing. So, I'm going to put that as well. Maybe I should put username first. What kind of types are there? Oh. Text, I guess. So this is text. Name is username. Bought a lot of Pokemon today. Dang, what kind of Pokemon? Work on rounding the number for the average speed. All right, I'll do that in a bit. Email, password, username. Can I just... Let me look at the Supabase sign in with password stuff. Oh, this is login, man. Jesus. We need to fix this on the register page, not the login page. My bad. So, email, username. What's this HTML for? Who knows? I'm gonna just put username in all of these things. And what was the type? Text? Value. Oh yeah. Any scary movie recommendations? Yeah, I don't watch any scary movies, man. They're too scary. Try to give more space to entities like email or password by giving the styles of the form component a gap 3. Like, just hit them with gap 3. What's a gap? Oh, like, space them out more? How come, wait, one of them gaps more than the other? It seems like. It's, alright, it's only doing one of them, or what? Or maybe... Maybe I messed up somewhere. It's likely I messed up somewhere, right? Because of this div, maybe? Should I take that out? Or should I just put the gap 3 in this thing? Highly neg. Thank you very much for the follow. Gap is a flex property. I see. So I'll just delete this div then. I don't think it's necessary. But now, is it this? Wait, I don't know which. This lines up with this, and this, and this, and this. Did that mess up anything? I don't think so. Oh, I see. That made... I see why that messed up, man. Let me Control Z. So in between each thing I need a div. Yeah. Right? Gabby, thank you very much for the follow. Alright, and then I'll give them the gap 3 thing again. Oh, look at that. Gap 1. That doesn't even make sense. Let me erase these. And I put that gap 3 or gap whatever right here. Alright, there we go. Yeah, you had 2 groups. Right. I saw that. Simon, when you go to Japan, can you get me something? Is it Pokemon cards? Is that what you want? Alright, maybe under the register. Anyways. Alright, should I try this username stuff in my registration function? Let me look at the docs. Supabase. Sign up with email. Email password. And can you sign up with other things there or what? Data. Sign up. How can I see like the full list of everything I can do, man? Because I feel like it doesn't even tell me what's up, you know? Maybe I can look into this. Oh yeah. So we got the data. Here's the data. Options. What are my options? How do we know what options are? Data. Alright, where's the data at? How do you know what the hell data is? So JSON object that includes user-specific info, such as their first and last name. So in my thing, alright, I guess my real question is, how can I sign up? Supabase, sign up, display name. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to fill out. It's come from auth providers. Raw user metadata column. User, wait. User metadata. But how can I set it when I sign up? That's what I need to know, man. I don't want to call another thing, do I? So maybe this works. I'm gonna try it and see what's happening. So register. It was like this, yeah? Display name and it's almost time for me to go. Let's see. What's this little freezy? What is it saying? Data. Oh, it's that? Okay. Yeah, I'm trying it out to see what it looks like. All right, here we go. Register. Username. Let's put in something. Man, that's editing the wrong thing. Come on now. How the hell? Username, username, username. Set username. All right. Testing user or test user. Password testing 123 maybe. Wait, the whole form should be like that? Yeah, right, man. All right, let's see if my thing has a display name. It does have a display name. Wait, let me delete my Twitch thing. All right, look at that. Test user in my display name. So now let me try something else, man. This is probably gonna be the last thing I'm gonna add real quick. We're gonna go to the profile and let's see if the user dot display name has something. It's looking promising, man. All right, here we go. Oh, the username is not there, unfortunately. Does OAuth add a display name? Yeah, it does. Hey, how come it's not there, man? Test user, look at that. Oh, because it's user dot user metadata dot display name. All right, let's try that again. Oh yeah, there it goes. So let me, you say put a flex on this. No, maybe I can just delete this class. And then, what do you say? Give them a gap 3? No. Why is it? All right. Am I tripping? Maybe I didn't save it. Make them spans or something. Okay. I see. Or spans or P's or something like that. What's the difference between a span and a P? Alright, maybe next stream we can work on filling out a profile page. Oh wait, we got 10 minutes left. P's have line breaks. Interesting. They're naked inside of a div. Wait, I wanted to add one more thing here. LeetCode name. Wait, we're using camel case. But then, wait, so can I put anything in my metadata? Maybe I should have all my profile information elsewhere, huh? All right, let me look this up real quick. Supabase user metadata. What is in here? That's what I want to know. What can I set? What can I not set? Can I add like custom fields, or is it just predetermined things like display name, first name, last name? Mercolo, what's happening? Why am I doing web dev? I'm trying to build something. All right, how can I see my user metadata? Well, all right, maybe this is gonna have to wait till another time, man. Maybe I'll create like a new database table in my little SQLite stuff. I think I want to migrate off of SQLite soon, but I think it'll be okay for now. Maybe in the next month or so. We'll see. Or maybe I should just use Supabase for everything until I decide to migrate off. All right, should I update? Should I deploy the website one last time? Because right now it looks kind of ugly. Yes, I think I'll do that. That's the final thing I'll do, is deploy whatever I have going on. So I've just been working on the remix stuff. So I rebuild my image and then I save my tar and then upload it. Then I'm out of here, man. All right. Yeah, Merculo, if you want to know the full story. Oh, don't defense is here for the type racer. You should be able to add additional metadata. All right, that's going to be a next time stream. I might be streaming this weekend, maybe on Sunday. I might do a mini all-day hackathon. Maybe like I'll try and just web dev for 12 hours and see how far I can get. Might? Yeah. No, I'm taking the contest. No, I'm saying I'm streaming Saturday for the LeetCode contest, 100%, for sure. But then, maybe on Sunday, because Monday's a holiday, man. So either Sunday or Monday. No, Monday I stream anyways. So it's gonna be Sunday. I might hit y'all with a 12-hour web dev stream, or maybe like a 6-hour session. I don't know. It's gonna be a mini marathon. I might take a few breaks here and there. Monday's a holiday? Yeah, man. Monday's a holiday. Anyways, Merculo, let me show you why I'm doing web dev. So this is my old website. This website is really just to keep track of other LeetCode streamers, and to keep track of all the people who have subscribed to the channel over the years. So this old website was hand-coded or hard-coded in HTML, CSS, but it got quite annoying to update because it's like I have to go in and edit the HTML file. So now, sometime last year, maybe in November, I decided to redo my website And this is my new version of the website. Yeah, I'm using a framework. This is in React and Remix. I'm not using Next.js. And I have a dedicated server where I host my website on. So I'm not using like serverless or some type of VPS out there or AWS or whatever, you know. That reminds me, do you still have your dedicated? No, I still have my dedicated. You host? What a pimp. Is that pimping these days, man? Not using Google Cloud. No, I'm not using Google Cloud. So on my website, yeah, I keep track of my subscribers. In the new one, I break it down by years. And I'd like to add 2021 here too. 2021 was the year I started to stream, but I didn't record anything back then. But I do have all the information in my VODs somewhere, so I can probably recreate 2021 one of these days. It's not gonna be anytime soon. I also keep track of Type Racer champions. We're gonna do a Type Racer right now, real soon. Do you upload your VODs? Lately, I've been uploading them. You can watch them on Twitch for 60 days, and then you can watch them on YouTube forever. But YouTube only has them up until sometime last year. My original VODs from 2021, I have not uploaded those anywhere. I'll probably upload them one day. Alright, that is it. And I'm trying to build this website out. I'm trying to just make it like a nice website where people can go to do a whole bunch of different activities. I have big plans for it. I want to start using some WebSockets and doing some real-time collaboration stuff in here on the website with maybe some of these problems. I might even try and, well, first I want to create Type Racer, recreate Type Racer. And then eventually I'd like to really try to create some type of new binary search IO or like a multiplayer algorithms type collaboration website. You want to recreate Type Racer? Sounds like you want to recreate getting sued. What are you talking about? I want to. It's just a typing game, man. You can't get sued for a typing game. I'm not gonna call it Type Racer. I'm gonna call it Type Blazer. Anyways, let's do this Type Racer that Don't Defense has redeemed. How long did it take you to get good at LeetCode? Man, I'm still trying to get good. Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah, Type Blazer, man. I already bought the domain. So, you know I gotta do it. Alright, there's a Type Racer. Yeah, I bought that last year, Little Freezy, and it took me a long time to get started on the project. I haven't really started on it yet, but I will one day. Alright, first race in this Type Racer is the warm-up. Second race is the championship round. Dang, that's loud. Man, y'all see my braid? Check out my braid today. I didn't even show y'all. Can you see it? Does it look cool? Anyways, I don't know. Alright, warm-up round, real quick. That's long, thank you. It's really long. Dang, they're gonna... I'm not even logged in. What the hell? Why am I even doing this, man? How lame. How come they didn't log me in? Anyways. Champion. Wait. What the hell is this? Is this the championship round? Wait, that's your record. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. 133. Jesus Christ. Alright, this is gonna be real fast. This is like, oh man, I don't know those words though. Alright, here we go. Get ready for 200 WPMs for sure. Alright, we're gonna go right now. Here we go. Man, that was really hard to type, man. I'm not gonna lie. Dang, Q with the 99 WPMs. Choked. Yeah, I choked too, man. I think it was hard because it had some weird words in it, you know? Words that I've never typed before. I didn't even see how much everybody did. I saw Q get the 99, Don't Defense 97, Little Freezy 77. Dang. Alright, here we go. Type Racer champion is Q Ultimus. And Q Ultimus got that 99 WPMs. Very good, very good. Look at that. Q inching away from Don't Defense. If Don't Defense had won that, it would have been tied up for 4th place. But Don't Defense choked, can't handle the championship pressure, man. When the title is on the line, you can count Don't Defense out. No, that's not true. Don't Defense has won many, many times. Again, you gain a number 2 spot. Yeah, once I have Type Blazer working sometime this year, we can get all the stats for the Type Racer, not just manually entering, man. I'm talking everything, you know. I think except Pixel Push, I might have the best record for ratio participating to wins. Yeah, I wish I could calculate those things, but I don't have all the data, you know what I'm saying. What's your overarching goal with your projects and streaming? Well, streaming, my goals with streaming is mainly to just build a community and for me to be more productive. I use streaming as a tool to connect with other developers out there, and I kind of learn from everyone in this community. So that's kind of like basically my streaming goals, and I'd like to continue this for the rest of my career. I think however long my career is, I'd like to be streaming that long. And then for my projects, I kind of talked about it earlier. I just want to recreate Type Racer this year. I think, all right, if I can get MVP of Type Racer working on my own website this year, I would be very happy. I'll be super, super happy, man. And I really would like to build a Type Racer WebSocket server in the back end. I want that to be done in C++ because I've never actually built something in C++ outside of work. I guess never done any C++ outside of work. And at work, I'm a C++ infrastructure software engineer. And this side project stuff, I have no idea what I'm doing with web dev. And I just really want to do something in C++, man. Do you really need WebSocket for Type Racer? It's not about what I need or what I can get away with. It's about I want to create something that's technically super performant. I want to push like type racing to its limits, man. I want to like have the craziest type racer race with 500 racers at one time or something. I don't know what's realistic there, but I want to find out what is the limit, man. How big of a race can we have? I don't even think I have enough people in this community to push those limits though. But those are like my goals, is to really create something interesting and performant, with a C++ backend. And yeah, mainly about learning, but also I want to get some street cred if I can build something like that. I recently discovered keyboard. What? Keyboard. It's fun and great website for muscle memory when typing on a keyboard. Maybe you could replicate that. Keyboard. Oh, but this is like offline, huh? Oh, this is weird. But yeah, I just want like a type racer type thing that's multiplayer. Oh, look at that. Multiplayer, man. Man, you think these are real people? I don't think they're real. I can't even type. This website sucks. Anyways. Oh, it says wait for next race. Maybe I'm just can't read. Anyways, that's it, man. Oh wait, I said I was gonna deploy the website before I go, and then I got distracted by a bunch of stuff. So let me do that real quick. I gotta hide my screen while I do that. Alright, I'm uploading it. You can type customize and play with bots or whatever it is. Yeah, so I want to make, I don't want to talk about it too much though, but I just basically want to make a nice competitive typing website. And I think that's small enough of a project where I can solo dev that. Any more type racer today? No, man, I'm about to head out Norwegian Oiler. What's happening? If I build a site, I want people to follow none of the site rules. What are you talking about, man? Oh, is it good if you have to... Wait, what? Oh, I see what you're saying. Anyways, I am uploading my dang Docker image to my thing. And, you know, I think one day I might open up my projects for contributions, but not to the public. I think you have to be at least in my Discord to get access, but maybe not everybody in my Discord. Maybe like regular people who I kind of have, you know, if I recognize your name and you've been on the streams for a few times, I think if you want to contribute in the future, maybe we can talk, you know. I'd like to... You're gonna give Don't Defense access to your database? No, man. Nobody's gonna have access to my prod data except me. But I think there might be people out there who would like to work on a project with other people. You know, I think it would be a great experience if you're trying to break into the industry. And I'd like to eventually have something like that. I don't think anytime soon. Maybe towards the end of the year or maybe sometime next year. But it's been on my mind. It's been on my mind for sure. All right, I just transferred my thing. I gotta do some... I gotta reload the thing on my server, so... Alright, I'm loading up the image into my server. I'd like to do some React and Tailwind. Tailwind, yeah. maybe as I get better at web dev, we can think about tools or things that we can build as a community that would be helpful for everybody to use. And I don't really have any ideas yet, but we'll see. We'll talk about this in the future, man. Not today. All right, here we go. Docker compose. Oh shit. Docker compose down. RPG? What? Yo, you want to make an RPG? Yeah, man. I've been thinking about some crazy things, but you'll see them as time goes on. Or maybe, yeah, one day I'll talk about them. Whenever I get dang WebSockets working on my website, I think I'm going to be experimenting with some stuff. All right, I just launched the dang website again, so I'll switch and we'll check it out real quick, and then I gotta go. Man, Acorn 1010. Thank you very much for the raid. Howdy. I was just about to get going, but I guess I'll stay on for just a couple minutes. Hello everybody from Acorn Stream. My name is Midnight Simon. I usually do LeetCode. I am really into LeetCode. But in 2025, I'm making a big change, man. I'm not going to be doing LeetCode all the time. I've streamed LeetCode for about 3 or 4 years. And this year is the first year I'm going to be more focused on web dev. But I still LeetCode on the weekends for the contest. And what I'm working on is my website here, midnightsimon.com. It used to be, this is my old website. It was just HTML hard-coded. And then this year I've updated it with using React and Remix, and it looks more modern now and fancier. Record my type racer champs and stuff like that. I just added authentication, so you can like log in, or you can sign up with Twitch, sign up with email stuff or whatever, man. So this is my latest feature. I just worked on it today, and everything is kind of working, I think. And yeah, so I'll be just updating this website, adding new different features for the rest of this year. Anyways, that's my 2-minute elevator pitch, but I gotta go, so I'm just gonna continue the raid. We're gonna go raid Pat's Hello World. But I really appreciate the raid. Sorry that I'm not sticking around though. Wait, before you go, give me the secret sauce to learn C++. I heard pointers are hard, never messed with low code before. I think the secret sauce to learning C++ is you just gotta use it to build something, man, and then deal with the dang memory issues for a bit. I think for me the hardest thing to learn about C++ was like pointer ownership. Yeah, pointers are somewhat hard in the beginning, but now they kind of make sense. And modern C++, you don't use raw pointers that much. There are a lot of times when you do still need them, but I think most people who code in modern C++, they use smart pointers, so you don't actually have to do too much memory management. It kind of just handles it for you, but you still have to use it responsibly, all the smart pointers. But yeah, C++ is really fun, I think. I enjoy myself coding in C++, at work, at least. Anyways, I gotta go. Let's go raid Pat. How can I use smart pointers if I'm dumb? Man, you just gotta get smart, man. You just gotta study. Thanks for the pointers. Yeah, no worries. Anytime. You guys got jokes today. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in. I think I got decent amount done. My main objective today was adding OAuth with Twitch, and it feels like it is there and it's working. If you guys want to register, feel free, man. Even though there's nothing to do on the website yet, slowly I'll start adding things. The thing I want to really add is like a LeetCode leaderboard. So when you register and you put your username in, I'm going to go download all information from LeetCode about your problem solved, your contest rating, and all that stuff, and try and make a little dashboard with all the members and all their LeetCode stats and all that, you know. I just trying to do some things like that. Anyways, thank you very much. Norwegian Oiler, Free P, Merculo, adios. Pseudo Mateo, thank you very much for tuning in. Have a good night. Q, did I say bye? See you later, Q. Little Freezy, thank you for all the help as usual, and see you next time, man. Adios. Gabby, first time chat, thank you for the follow earlier, and see you next time this weekend. And adios, YouTube. Zombie Autopilot from YouTube. I guess, do you build your own products to showcase for Google? No, I don't. I'm building my own project now. You can watch the VOD, man. I gotta go. I'm sorry, but I'll be on Saturday. All right, see you later, YouTube.